Hello Habibti, Kifint. Hello my friend, how are you doing? In this quick lesson, I'll be teaching you the 5 ways that you can apologise to somebody in Maltese. And make sure you stick around to the last one, because that's maybe the best one that you can use. So let's get started. First we have "Gli dispiacini." "Gli dispiacini." I know this looks a little bit overwhelming to say if you're seeing it for the first time, but if you break it down and use the pronunciation guide that's in the brackets here, it'll be much easier for you to say. So let's read it together slowly using the guide. Gli dispiacini. Gli dispiacini. Gli dispiacini. And this means that you're deeply sorry and feeling remorse for somebody. Let's say something drastic has happened. For example, if somebody passed away or something else really tragic, okay? This isn't really the sort of thing you'd say if you spilt someone's coffee, okay? It's more deep than that. Right, on to the next one. Ach fearly. Ach fearly. Ach fearly. And this means forgive me in English. So maybe if you've done something wrong to somebody and you regret it, this could be a good thing that you can say to that person. Also, I just want to quickly invite you to download my 50 most popular Maltese word ebook, which you can get from the link below, as this is going to absolutely speed rocket your Maltese language learning process. Now, on to number 3. Scusi. 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 And this is the exact word you can use when you want somebody to get out of your way. Let's say you're in a supermarket or something and somebody is standing in front of a product that you want to buy. You could say scusi to politely ask them to move out of the way. It tortiai. It tortiai. It tortiai. And this is just a way of saying my bad or my mistake, or something like that. And this is definitely something you could say after accidentally spilling somebody's coffee. Ne scusa ruħi. Ne scusa ruħi. Ne scusa ruħi. And as you can see on the screen, this means I apologise. It's a great way to let somebody know that you are genuinely really sorry and not just apologising willy-nilly. Like, you really mean it and from your soul, because that's what ruhi means. It means soul. And in fact, the literal translation of this whole sentence means I'm sorry from my soul. So it's a really polite way of apologising. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, and also, why not check out my online Maltese language course to really excel in understanding this beautiful language? You can access the course with all the modules and free community with other students using the link from the description below. Now, for number 6, scusani. 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 And this just means sorry. I'd say it's probably the most generic used apology in Maltese, and it's pretty much acceptable in all scenarios when you want to apologise to somebody. Okay, that's all of them. Grazie ħafna u narak dalwat.